Sure, you can buy Ethernet cable from the store, but where is the fun in that? If you want to make a custom cable length, or crossover cables, or repair a broken connector, why not to do it yourself? Here's how. Step 1. Strip the UTP cable about 1.5 inch from the end. Step 2. Spread the 4 pairs of twisted wire apart. Step 3. Untwist the wire pairs and neatly align them in T5B68A or T5B68B orientation. In this video, I choose to do T5B68B orientation. Step 4. Cut the wires as straight as possible about 0.5 inch above the end of the cable. Step 5. Carefully insert the wires all the way into the modular connector. Step 6. Push the connector inside the crimping tool and squeeze the crimper all the way down. Step 7. Repeat the steps 1 to 6 for the other end of the cable.